Hi everyone, I just want to give you a brief description of our intensive wax jewellery course, which is our most popular course that we run here at Thinking Hand Studios. So it's basically a 24-hour course, and it runs on Tuesdays and Fridays between 8 and 3:30, and you can split up your days however you like, which means you can choose your dates, you can choose how long each session is. Most commonly people go for 4 6-hour sessions, but 6 4-hour sessions is also quite common. The class sizes are kept really small, which is how we manage to tailor the sessions. So there's always people in different stages of the course working on dramatically different projects. So this is the course manual, and I give everyone an electronic copy of this. It's around 70 pages, it's fully illustrated with lots of descriptions, exercises, step-by-step instructions, and it's full of background information. So we can work on the projects in this manual, but there's also loads more projects that you can work on. We've made lots of things since we made this manual, and most commonly I get people to email me pictures of the kind of things they want to make, and we incorporate these into the learning and into the exercises if they're achievable for beginners, and they very commonly are. So these are some examples of some pictures people have sent me. If you want to learn stone setting, cast in place stone setting, and these organic claw settings are a great place to start, because they teach you the basic principles, and with these principles you can apply them in lots of different ways to create some very different aesthetics, just as you become more confident. If you're into creating texture like these, then this really is an area that's endless. There's just so many different things you can do with the wax. So definitely start collecting those pictures and bring them with you when you come in. You may want to sculpt something to incorporate into a ring or a pendant, or maybe you found something that you think might look really unique in a jewellery design. Some people know exactly what they want to work on, but it's fine if you don't. We've got lots of different projects in our cabinets for you to have a look at to give you some ideas. If you don't understand the processes, it's often very difficult or impossible to even know what you can make. So people generally start to get quite inspired as they learn some of the possibilities that these processes open up to them. You can spread your sessions out however you like. There's no expiration. You can spend, for example, 2 sessions on wax modelling and carving, 1 session on mould making, and 1 on metal finishing, or just basically however you would like depending on your requirements or your background knowledge. Mould making is definitely something I recommend. If you're making wax jewellery without using moulds to create your designs, then you're missing out on lots of possibilities. And you can even use these to create things like these jewellery boxes, which I made for some of my own jewellery designs. And these also work for displaying pieces. So I hope this gives you a little insight into how this course works. Please feel free to email and message us with any questions. We're always here to help you make what you want to make.